How to change server in Blockman Go. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to change your server in Blockman Go. Whether you want to reduce lag, join your friends from another region, or access exclusive events, this quick tutorial will guide you step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Blockman Go. First, open the Blockman Go app on your device. Make sure you're on the home screen. Step 2. Log out of your account. Now, tap your profile picture in the top left corner. Scroll down the menu and tap in Logout. This will take you back to the login screen. Step 3. Choose a different server and region. On the login screen, you will see a globe icon or a region button. Tap it. A list of servers will appear, like Asia, Europe, and North America. Choose the one that suits your best. Preferable, the closest one for lower lag. Step 4. Log back in. After selecting your region, return to the login screen. Now, log in with your account or create a new one for that region. Remember, your progress doesn't transfer between servers, so it might restart fresh. Step 5. Confirm server change. Once logged in, you will notice you're now in the server you chose. You can check this again by going to the login screen and seeing the selected region. And that's it. That's how you change servers in Blockman Go. Now you can play with your friends from other countries or find the best experience possible. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks.